live from Tijuana, Mexico. Here I am, okay, with some friends from Scotland. And now, what's your names and where are you from?
Ian from Edinburgh and Paula.
Okay, they actually brought me some really cool chocolates that actually had single barrel whiskey. I didn't even tell you that. Freaking amazing. Okay, so now you guys came across the pond.
Yeah.
Okay, what were you coming across for? Like, what did you want?
Chiropractic treatment.
Yeah.
My journey here, it was a long flight over 3 different flights, connecting flights, and the flight was late and trying to rush in between them. You were rushing ahead. I had back pain going down into my hip. I could hardly move, and trying to move luggage at the same time. A lot of pain, difficulty moving, and within a week of being here, moving about so much easier.
Now you were trying chiropractic back home.
Yeah.
Okay, is the stuff that we do any different?
It is, yeah. I was being treated for the hip, and the chiropractor, he was going straight to the hip, and it just wasn't helping. Because we both knew that's where it wasn't coming from.
I know. Isn't this stuff we do cool?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, with the stress x-rays, the everything, I mean, we're looking at the whole body. And if you think about it, if you're standing straight, you go off to the side, that you're going to feel it in a different area. You got to look at the whole body.
Yeah.
Now, you've been down here for what, a week and a half?
Two weeks.
2 weeks?
Yeah, coming up 2 weeks. Yeah.
And because Americans are freaked out about crossing the border, okay, which is crazy, because you know there's places in Scotland that are way more dangerous than Tijuana.
Oh, yeah.
I know, I could show you some places in LA that we would not want to go in the daytime, let alone at night.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's your experience been like down here?
Oh, it's been great.
Yeah,
Everybody's
people
so
are so
nice.
friendly, aren't
Yeah,
they? Yep.
so friendly. Everywhere, in the hotel, in the restaurant, shops, the staff here are fantastic.
And we've been
Every
out and
one of
about, we walked across to pick up a lunch, to have a
Yeah.
lunch, and you can walk the back streets,
Yeah.
no problem.
Now, but you guys are doing something unique. You're taking charge of your health.
Yeah.
Most people don't do that.
Yeah.
If you got a pain or dysfunction, you just say, okay, doctor, whatever you want. What made you like this? Why are you taking charge of your health?
Well, my mum's been watching you for over a decade, so I blame her. But no, it just makes more sense. You know, you've got your power back, you're in control, you're not waiting for a doctor to tell you if you're well or not. You're just, life isn't scary if you take control.
I mean, my hip pain, I've had so many friends about the same age as me saying, just go and get your hip replaced. I've had mine done, it's fine. And I said, well, I think I'll go down the route of maybe getting it checked by a chiropractor first. And I've told other guys who have said, my GP or my doctor has said, will refer me for a hip replacement. I said, speak to a chiropractor first. But they don't, because they just trust the health professionals. That's what they should do.
It's not their expertise. What kind of work do you do? Why are you analytical like this?
I was a police officer for 30 years. Retired from the police in Edinburgh.
So you're analytical.
I think so, yeah.
Okay, so that it doesn't make sense to just take out a part and replace it when no one's going to say what caused it.
That's it, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like you have a problem with your car and someone says, a mechanic says, needs a new engine. So you go to the dealer and they say the engine's fine, but we'll replace it anyway if you want. So it doesn't make sense.
Okay, this is going to sound unusual to most of the Americans. It's called common sense. Okay, I'd love to find a new term because it seems like basic common sense that your body is given symptoms for a reason. You find out what's there.
Yeah.
And the worst thing I've heard people say, well, it's old age. Really, how old's the other hip? You know, I mean, it's like, no, it's the same.
Yeah.
Okay, now, what can you tell people out there, okay, that have had health challenges? I know your mom's a sweetheart, okay, but you guys are different. You're taking charge of your health. You're traveling, thousands of miles. Okay, you're trying something experimental but it is cool that it works, isn't it?
It does.
I know.
Oh, yeah.
It's really bitchy. Yeah. Okay, what could you tell someone to take charge of their health?
Do you know it's addictive? When you start, you start to feel better right away. You look at what you're putting in your mouth, and it's addictive, and you want to keep learning and getting better, and
Okay, health is addictive. You know what I tell people? I say, look, just for the heck of it, eat really, really good for a week, and then eat really shitty for a week, okay? And you'll probably want to eat really good.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, I tell teenagers this, and they think, yeah, I felt really good when I was eating good. And it's also exercise, and if you exercise a little bit, you feel better. Yeah, and now, brother, I mean, it's so good to see you standing and smiling.
Yeah.
It was breaking my heart to see you last week.
Thank you. Yeah. Oh yeah, I was in pain last week.
Yeah. And
You had to help me out the chair.
I know. Did you bring your golf clubs?
No.
Okay, next time you got to. There's a good golf course behind the Grand Hotel where we're at. I've never played it, but I'm here working.
Yeah.
But it looks like fun.
Yeah, it looks good.
It
Yeah, they can
does.
see it from the hotel room.
Yeah, and we're coming back next year, hopefully.
I reckon so. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so take charge of your health. Don't accept a diagnosis. Understand your body is self-healing, self-regulating, and you're more energy than matter. Okay, and you are built by God. Trust in your body's ability to heal and look at physical, chemical, emotional stress. I mean, I know it sounds crazy, but it's true.
Yep.
Simple.
It is true. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And if all you got to do is come across the border, I'll see you here. God bless you.